Alright. Happy Sunday. So today I'm making brown stewed fish. So I'm going to be frying the fish and then we're going to stew it. But I'm going to check to make sure my grease is hot enough. So how you check, you always make sure you have a wooden spoon in your house. And when you see that it's bubbling like this, that in frying the spoon, you know that it's good. So the grease is nice and hot, ready. So I seasoned my fish with my special seasoning. So now I'm just going to put it in here so it can fry. So you want to make sure you do it from top to bottom. Alright. So for the fish, you want to make sure you do 5 minutes on each side. Bring it in, honey. Make sure you don't get that. Alright, so it's cooking. So it's going to cook for 5 minutes on each side. Get a nice crispy. Let's do it for 50 seconds.